Hi guys, today in this tutorial we will learn about CSS glowing login page. Now you can see the login form is looking good. Let's start to code. First of all, we want to create a HTML template and title is CSS glowing login page. Next, open your browser and we want to search Sathursan 5 CDN link. This is the link for Sathursan CDN. Copy this link, close the tab and paste it. Inside the body we want a form. Inside this h1 and we want to type login. Next we want to add a div with class username. Inside this icon and this icon for username. Next we want to add input, type is text. We want to change this placeholder inside this username. Copy this div and paste it one time. Class name is password and this icon will be lock and input type is password. Placeholder is also password. Next, outside the div we want that input. This type is submit and this class name is submit. Save the file, refresh. The login form is visible now. Let's link our style sheet index.css and start to style our web page. Margin 0, padding 0 and box sizing is border box. Save the file, refresh. Now the margin is okay now. Next we want to style our body. Display flex, justify content center, align item center, height 100 vh, width 100% and background color #262626ff. Save the file, refresh. Now the login form is aligned to center. Let's start to style our form. Display flex, flex direction column, justify content center, align item center and position is relative, height 400 pixel and width 350 pixel. Font family is sans serif and font color is white. Border radius 20 pixel and we want add box shadow 1 pixel 60 pixel and color is black and cursor will be pointer. Save the file, refresh. The layout is okay now. Next we want to style our h1. Position is absolute, top will be 5% and left 10% and padding 5 pixel, font size 35 pixel and letter spacing 1 pixel. We want that text shadow that was 1 pixel 40 pixel and color is black. Next we want that border bottom 5 pixel solid and the color is line. Save the file, refresh. Login is looking good. Next we want to style our class username and class password. Inside this display flex, justify content space evenly, and align item center. Position is relative. Margin 20 pixel and 5 pixel. Height 50 pixel and width 100% and font size is 25 pixel. Save the file. Refresh. The form is looking okay. Next, we want to style our class submit. Inside this, display block, position absolute, outline is none, and border is also none, and bottom 10%, right 5%, and padding is 5 pixel and 20 pixel. Next, we want a background color that was white, and font color is black, and transition 1 second, font size 20 pixel, font weight is bold, and we want a border radius that was 20 pixel, and cursor will be pointer. Save the file. Refresh. Now the button is looking good. Let's start to style. Input, inside the square bracket, type is equals to text, and type is equals to password. Inside this, display block, outline is none, and background is also none, border is none, and the color is white, font size is 20 pixel, and we want that border bottom 5 pixel solid, and color is white. Save the file. Refresh. Now the input fields are looking good. Next, we want to style input. Inside this, type is equals to text, focus. Inside this, transition is 0.5 second, and border bottom color will be lime. Copy this and paste it one time. We want to change this password. Save the file. Refresh. Now this focus effect is working. Next, we want to style icon hover. Inside this, transition 0.5 second, and color is lime green, and we want a text shadow that was 1 pixel, 40 pixel, and color is lime. Save the file. Refresh. Now the icons are glowing. Next, we want to style class submit hover. Inside this, background color is lime green, and font color is white, and we want a box shadow that was 1 pixel, 40 pixel, and color is lime. Save the file. Refresh. Now you can see the button is glowing and icons also glowing. The login form is looking good. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.